afternoon guys, this is Luther Tanshoko here, your real estate partner. So, I just want to share with you the workflow kung paano nga ba na gagawa natin yung housing loan. So, tara. So, unang-una is first step mo is magre-reserve ka. Ito yung magre-reserve ka ng unit mo is secured mo yung nagustuhan mo na unit. So, next is the requirements. Ito yung magbibigay ka ng proof of income, proof of identification, proof of civil status, proof of billing, and proof of down payment kung meron ka man. So, ito ipaprocess na ni developer mo. Once na ma-process na, mababalidate na yung mga requirements mo na nandun. Next step is the application. So, yan, once na, si developer na yung bahala, mag-a-apply siya ng application mo sa financing na pili mo. Like for example, yung requirements mo, gusto mo ng Pag-ibig financing, i-apply kay Pag-ibig financing. So, next thing is the approval. So, approve na yung loan mo. Kumbaga, okay na approve na yung requirements or anything na mahahalagang dokumento. So, next thing is the loan takeout. So, ito, yung developer gets paid. The developer gets paid. And si developer naman is ito turn over na sa'yo yung unit mo. Yung unit na pinapangarap mo. So, ganun lang kasimple. Yun lang, nagbigay lang ako ng value. So, this is Luther Tanshoko, your trusted real estate partner.